Hey everybody, this is Chris, your dependable host for all things Reed, and we have a problem. It's called PP-RCT tubing. Now, the pipe itself, that's not the problem. In fact, PP-RCT tubing is great. It's a new generation of pipe that is used for a variety of applications, and it's more robust than the traditional. So what's the problem? Cutting it. It is incredibly difficult to make a clean cut on this new pipe. But don't just take my word for it.
So the PP-RCT tubing is polypropylene infused with glass. And so historically we've had an issue cutting it effectively because if you tried doing it with a Sawzall, it's kind of melting it. It doesn't feel right when you're cutting it. Some of the other tubing cutters that we've tried, it takes forever or it won't cut all the way through. I think it's going to become a lot more common for things like this pipe or what comes after this pipe, or like high density polyethylene or polypropylene. And that's a big thing for us to have a Reed tool that will cut it properly, because it's a better product. It saves time to put it in, saves the customer money.
So the question is Reed up to the challenge to solve our little cutting problem? Let's head to McVale Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning in Washington, PA to give some tools a try and find out.
Cut really fast.
Cut straight through.
Yeah, really.
I mean, it's straighter than probably 98% of the Sawzall cuts we've ever made.
You mean the Sawzall cuts that go this way?
Yeah.
We do a lot of operations where it's hard to cut. We use Sawzalls to cut most of our stuff. We ain't got to worry about using a cleaner or a scraper like a pocket knife to clean out where the Sawzall leaves a mess on the end of the pipe. Smooth, easy to use, and it's easy to operate.
I was pretty impressed by the cutters. We get 4 cuts out of a Sawzall blade, and then that has no teeth, you know? So that we've done, 6 cuts out of when we use the guillotine cutter, yeah? And it's still cutting pretty easy, so. Did end up cutting the pipe, which we have a hard time finding things to cut that pipe clean.
So there you have it. Reed is your problem solver, proving once again that Reed is all you need. Visit reedmfgco.com today.